Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing video on this trainer hand. I am not getting paid for this. I just wanted to show you guys. I was actually going to open it yesterday, but I said, you know what, I'm going to wait so I can show you guys what I like to use for practicing designs and anything that, you know, kind of like for a beginner in general. And even if you're not a beginner, this is really good for you to still practice. I'm going to show you guys how it works and pretty much what comes inside of it. And then I'm also going to show you guys the press-on nails that I've been working on. Let's get started with this. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can get advised whenever I post a new video. And I'm Myra for those of you who are new to my channel. So let's get started. So I'm gonna open these with these cute little scissors. Let me see. And I actually have the press-on nails right now. So I'm trying to be very careful. So far they've been very sturdy. The difference between these, I'll actually explain that later when I show you guys. But I'm gonna open this. That was easy. I'm just trying to be very careful because I do not want to break. So, I purchased this one on Amazon. On Amazon, and I'll put the link below. I believe it was like $40-something. They were cheaper before, and I'm sure you can find them cheaper somewhere else. But I like Prime, so okay. So I like this. The fact why I like this hand is pretty much because it's flexible, it's sturdy, and it has individual fingers. They do have clear ones, which I will find the packets for the clear ones, and I will put it in the description below. I still have a few of them, so I'm not going to purchase them, but I'll show you guys. And it comes with 100 tips aside from the 5 that it already comes with. And it's super simple, guys. It's just this, literally. So I'm going to show you guys how. Don't throw your box away because you can put it, put it away. It's very sturdy. So what you're gonna do is, if you have a desk, and if you guys have like one of those tripods that go over your desk, it's pretty much the same thing, the same kind of way. I'm trying to make it to the same thickness, but I don't think it's gonna work on this one just because I don't have like it's too thick from the bottom. But I'm going to show you guys pretty much what it is on this end, because this is where I normally place my tripod. Let's see. Sorry, it's taking a while. And remember, guys, don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see on my videos. I usually always record just because I like to show you guys what I do. But I'd always like to see what you guys are actually curious to know. Okay, so you're pretty much going to tighten it on the bottom. My other side is too big, so it won't grab onto it. But it's pretty sturdy, and it does not move. So what I'm going to have you do, well, not have you do, I'm going to show you guys, is pretty much how flexible it is and how sturdy. It's pretty much like a client's hand. It's actually perfect. That way you guys can see the front portion of it. And the fingers are they move, they're movable, and the tips, they just pop off. So once you're done with the design, they even have a cuticle. Once you're done with the design, you just pop it off and then place it onto your board of designs. They do have some board, like pretty much where you can insert the little tabs right here, because they do come with little tabs. And it's pretty awesome. It's like you can move your finger, just be very careful. You can flip the hand around so that you can shape it, obviously holding onto the finger because you can't break the finger. That's what happened to my other hand. And pretty much whenever you're done with all of these, then just replace them with these. And the reason, it's pretty much, this is considered a nail bed. So you just pop them back on there and make sure they're popped on real good so that they won't come off, and then just work from there. I like to use them for forms and anything like that. I don't have forms here right now because I'm not working right now, so I took them all home. but I'll show you guys in another video how I use this nail and this hand actually, and you guys are gonna see that it's just so amazing. It's pretty cool. You don't have to ask anybody for them to be a model, and it's easy, super small and simple, and definitely recommended for beginners for sure. It's all a really good product. I absolutely loved it, and I was super excited to receive it because I just know that I needed to have one of these for, I just know I needed to have one of these for my videos. So if you guys want to see anything, any kind of design, just let me know and I will definitely show you guys. I'm going to be doing probably an ombre now that I have this hand, so stay tuned for that. And again, it comes with 100 extra tips and you can buy more, so that is totally normal if you finish these. Let's see, I'm gonna put these away before I start with the press-on nails. And it's not even that big, so it's pretty good. You don't even have to have so much space to put it away or anything like that. And let me see, I had asked my Instagram friends if they had any questions, so let me check. Probably not. Not yet. I'll make a different video if it comes to the, for the questions. So I'm going to show you guys the press-on nails that I've been working on lately, especially right now that we're in quarantine. A lot of us can't have our nails done. I have them done right now. They're press-ons. They're pretty sturdy. The difference between these press-on nails and the ones you see at the store, obviously, are price difference and quality difference. Aside from them being made customized by me, they also come in a cute little box like this, and they have your nails in here, whoops, perfectly sized for you. They are any kind of design. These are pretty much small ones, really short ones, probably about my size. And she chose her design, her colors, I did them, and they are pretty much super cute nails. They come with a kit that includes an orange wood stick for pushing back cuticles, a file to file off the natural nail shine, nail tabs, which is another alternative for gluing your nails if you just want a 1 to 2 day, for them to last a little shorter time. Alcohol pads for when you buff your nails or whatever and you just clean it up, some glue, and a buffer. So I've been having my nails on maybe for about, I'm gonna say like 4 days, and they're really sturdy. So if you take care of them, they are gonna last you. Obviously be careful if you break one or if you lose one, because then that is not cool. I have been not breaking, but it has been coming off my thumb because I've been using it so much, but that's normal. Again, it comes with this and your cute box of nails that are reusable. Do not throw them away. Just make sure you place them exactly how they are, from left to right, right to left, however it is, but as long as you remember which ones go where. And then these are super cute ones that I did. I'll show you guys a close-up in a little bit. They are so cute. I did them. They're butterfly ones. They're 2 accent ones. And this is like a medium coffin. Again, she chose the design, and they are all gel polish, guys, no acrylic, because obviously they're press-on nails. We could add crystals and 3D stuff, so that's okay. I just actually gave one of my clients her crystal ones. They were so cute. I didn't want to give them to her because they were so cute. I wanted to keep them for myself. But yes, if anyone is interested in press-on nails, guys, definitely message me, email me, whatever you guys are comfortable with. Direct message me on Instagram. All my social media links are down below. And just measure your nails, send me your design, your length and shape, and then we'll proceed from there. If I do take a little bit to respond, don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm going to get to you. It's just that I'm obviously working on the other nails. So I'm trying to get rid of the ones, not rid, but I'm trying to finish up the ones that I had ordered first. Then I start taking the orders. You guys think maybe that it's easy, or like it's easier because it's not nails. It is probably harder than the actual acrylic nails, just because you have to make sure everything is perfect. At least that's how I feel. Like it's like I like to make things nice, make everything look nice. So yes, if you guys are interested, definitely message me. Even if you guys want to purchase a sizing kit, which includes 10 nails, and it's pretty much from 0 to 9, and you make sure that I did post a video prior to that I will link below, how to measure your nails, and you'll get a little sizing tab that you write your numbers down, and you do not throw that away. You can obviously share it with others close by and they can do the same thing. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. It was nice to see you guys again and show my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to ask, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.